We are 3 juniors at Vascular Academy for Technology and Science, a STEM charter school in Portland, Maine, and we've had the amazing opportunity of interning at Maine Medical Center Research Institute.
Internships are a real-life practical experience for high school students. So it takes what a student learns in the classroom and at school, both about careers and then about science, and then shows them how to apply it on an everyday basis on a professional level.
Every Friday we come in and have a meeting with our 3 mentors to kind of go over what we're going to do that day and what we did the previous week. After we finish talking with our mentors, we continue experiments that we are working on.
If you become organized with your time and what you do from a very young age, it will help you a lot much later.
The main project we did over the course of this year was to perform an EDU staining on our specialized cells. So we looked to determine which type of matrices would provide the greatest proliferation rate among each of our cells. So we started by coating each of the plates with a different matrix, and then we analyzed the number of cells in order to determine the proliferation rates. Then we compared those to each of the different type of matrices, and we were able to conclude which matrix would provide the greatest proliferation rate.
High schoolers, they grow up in a very protective environment, and I think coming out of the school environment, going into the real world and giving high schoolers a real world experience is very beneficial for their training, for their career choices, for their thinking about what they want to do. I think it's extremely helpful for high schoolers to do these kind of internships.
Before this internship, I didn't really have a clear understanding of what I wanted to pursue in college or as a career, but now I'm really interested in the biomedical research world and definitely want to pursue it in college.
So we offer these opportunities because it's really important for us to engage with the next generation of scientists and healthcare professionals, and we like to do that as early in their career as possible. It's really a good experience for students to be able to be in the labs, to figure out if it's something that they actually like. And if they if we can catch them early, then they tend to come back to us again later on down the road for additional internships and sometimes as employees. And so we really like to be able to encourage people to get involved as early in their career as possible.
Throughout the course of this internship, I recognized that things I've learned here and labs I've done here have really had a positive impact on my in-class schoolwork, and that it's helped me shape my understanding of science and math. Through this internship, I feel that I've learned how to communicate in a professional way, as well as prioritize my time and commitment to this internship.
This experience has given me a better understanding of my own skills and where this career choice may bring me. It has given me confidence in what I can accomplish and what I'm good at. It has also been a really great opportunity for me to learn not just from computer screens or textbooks, but to actually take part in the action and do something meaningful.
One of the most rewarding parts of my job is to work with the people that I'm teaching and mentoring. And the reason why that's so great is because you establish a relationship and you're able to see progress, and hopefully you're able to see the spark of excitement that somebody brings to the research lab, and that's a really great thing to see.
Mentoring involves many different things. It's not only that you have to try to give knowledge to a person, it's also guiding them through the whole process of what does it mean to be a scientist. So there are many different levels. There's knowledge-based learning, then there's the skills in the lab, that's a lot of hands-on training, and then it involves a lot of writing to teach somebody how to write and how to make sense of their writing. So there's many different levels that you have to kind of take care of when you're mentoring a young person. And I pretty much enjoy every single step of it and every level of it.
So mentorship is one of my favorite things to do, and the reason I like it so much is that the interaction with a student really brings new ideas into the research project, and so it's a learning experience for me as well as hopefully for the student who's part of the mentorship experience. And so I've enjoyed and really learned how to sort of get concepts across more clearly and understand the feedback that I'm receiving to help me teach better.
Working alongside professionals in this internship has really drawn our attention to the world of knowledge that we have yet to discover. And now, with this sense of ambition and curiosity, we are able to explore deeper into the field of science.